What do people even talk about in vlogs? Like, how do you vlog?
The problem is you talk all the time. I can't pay attention all the time.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to the vlog. Today actually we're going to the beach and I'm really excited. I hope it's gonna be a fun day. Today is actually a Monday and because it's the hottest day, my husband is gonna take the second half of the day off and we're gonna head to the beach. So we actually live about an hour drive to the beach, so a lot of this vlog is gonna be a car vlog. This is the aftermath of the morning. And yeah, she's just napping in the next room and my husband went to work for the morning. I'll check back in with you guys later. So welcome back guys. My daughter just had her first nap of the day. We've changed her into her little dress. We're just letting her play while we eat lunch. We're just gonna get some stuff ready and head straight for the beach.
Везде у тебя не вляп.
This is car vlog, hanging out with the baby in the back. Going to the beach. Long drive. What do people even talk about in vlogs? Like, how do you vlog? Like, what do I do? What do I say? Baby, help me vlog. I feel like she should just nap now instead of later. Nap while you get a chance, maybe. Help with nausea. Also, I've moved to the front seat. Hi.
You're vlogging?
Trying to vlog. This is gonna be a pretty boring vlog. Even though we're going to the beach.
You could put it on YouTube, on like live. You could do live vlogs.
I don't have internet. But yeah, I could. Yeah, like YouTube Live. Yeah, I could do that. The lighting is so nice in the car in the sun. Looks like you don't need any lights. Ow. I've just bit myself. Ow. I'm bleeding. Pretty sure you can't include blood in your videos.
Really?
Oh yeah?
That's cool.
Okay, YouTube is very strict. Well, my videos are not monetized actually, so I don't care. Not yet, at least. But yeah, some people gain subscribers very quickly, but I'm not one of those people. It's because I'm not likable. It's because I'm probably too ugly for YouTube. Or something. I don't know.
Oh my god.
No, but it's a thing. But yeah, having snacks in the car at all times is something we need to start doing. Yeah, I feel way better now. But it's not. Yay, 15 more minutes. Wow, we just got the time actually. Still on the way to the beach. Just had some in and out. I still try to vlog. Just had in and out, and now we're waiting for my husband to figure out his phone and figure out how we're gonna get there to some new beach that's more south than the one we go. Okay, bye. Catch you guys later. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, for some reason that previous video where she was talking didn't get recorded. And it was so cute. She was saying stuff. Aww. I want to have all this stuff, you know, of her talking, her speaking, her being so cute, her cuting. I also watch stuff that teaches me things, you know, like I used to watch a lot of like DIY things and like how do you do this, how do you do this. But I watch practical stuff, you know, like how to put a nail in the wall. I would be down to do like a channel that's like a business channel, like how to do your business and just take people on a journey.
The problem is you talk all the time. I can't pay attention all the time, you know?
Okay, I wasn't talking all the time. I was just trying to explain why you should bring your phone.
Okay, I
check out the
heard
time.
parts. You're like to check the time, blah blah blah. but I wasn't sure if you said yes or no.
Yeah, this is why you shouldn't watch my channel. Buffa. It's gonna be okay. You'll figure
Yeah, I
it
know,
out.
it's gonna be fine. You're the one that's freaking out. But yeah, I'm sorry, like I didn't mean to freak you out. Okay.
Okay, good talk. I love you. Oh yeah, we don't have the thing. Okay, we need that. I'll wait for you here.
It's in the car?
Yeah. We forgot to bring the towel and the beach towel and the cover. Guys, what a beautiful, awesome day. It was supposed to be 28 at the beach and it's definitely not, but it's still really, really warm. Last time it was this hot was when I was pregnant. It was last year.
Hi, I'm the husband.
You're not gonna be on my channel now that you hate it. I'm gonna put you on it.
I'm the key to your channel success.
Really? You think you're the key? Well, maybe you are. It's totally worth coming here. Wait, after this it's gonna be cold again? I love you. Hi, my sweetness. Ooh. Wow, it's actually full of people for a Monday. It's pretty incredible.
What's wrong with my phone?
Take the next right onto Warner Avenue.
Does it want you to go to the beach?
Yeah, it is gonna make us go to the beach.
Anh gà gà. Đã